Hey y'all, so today we are making some non-edible Valentine's Day goodies for the kids' Valentine's Day classroom exchange. Also, we'll be whipping up a quick and easy lunch to send the kiddos off to school with. The supplies in this video are bought from my local Dollar Tree. So this year I opted out of any candy or sweet treats because the schools are so strict these days with what you can bring, what brand you can bring. So I just thought it would be best to give the kids something they can actually use and have fun using. So there's sticker boxes, a pen, and a heart-shaped eraser. Here is the finished product. Just laid everything out and put it in this cute little bucket that I got at the Dollar Tree. These goodie bags were super affordable, easy, and fast to make. I know the kids will love them. So for lunch today, we are making some heart-shaped cheese quesadillas, heart-shaped carrots, and a side of blueberries with heart-shaped candy. Did I go a little OD with the hearts? We did, but hey, it's the month of love. So I heated up my griddle and sprayed it with a little coconut oil and heated these bad boys up. After chilling for a minute, I used my heart-shaped cookie cutters. This makes me one large heart and 3 small hearts. Next, we move on to our heart-shaped carrots, which are so cute and easy to make. So here I will just be filling these cupcake liners with my fruit of choice, which today is blueberries, and topping them off with these small conversational hearts. So there you have it. Quick, easy, fun lunch filled with love. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.